Multiverse theory suggests that our universe, with all its hundreds of billions of galaxies and almost countless stars spanning tens of billions of light years, may not be the only one. Instead, there may be an entirely different universe, distantly separated from ours, and another and another. Indeed, there may be an infinity of universes, all with their own laws of physics, their own collections of stars and galaxies. If stars and galaxies can exist in those universes, and maybe even their own intelligent civilizations, it could be that our universe is just one member of a much grander, much larger multitude of universes, a multiverse. Physical evidence of the multiverse. Many scientists have tried to find more physical, hard evidence for the multiverse's existence. For example, if a neighboring universe happened to be close to ours long ago, it may have collided with our universe, creating a detectable imprint. That imprint could be in the form of distortions in the cosmic microwave background, the light left over from when the universe was 1,000,000 times smaller than it is today, or in strange galaxy properties in the direction of the collision, according to the Early Universe blog published by University College London. But all of these types of searches have come up empty, so the multiverse remains hypothetical. Life in the multiverse. Perhaps the most mind-bending implication of the multiverse is the existence of doppelgangers. If there really are an infinity of universes but a finite number of ways to arrange particles in any individual universe, then the same patterns are bound to be repeated, eventually. That would mean that at some incredible, but finite, distance, there would be an exact copy of you reading an exact copy of this article. And because there would be an infinite number of universes, there would be an infinite number of these exact scenarios all happening simultaneously, according to the Institute of Physics.
The concept of the multiverse is an intriguing idea that originates from the field of theoretical physics. It suggests the existence of multiple parallel universes, each with its own set of physical laws, constants, and conditions. In this explanation, we will explore the multiverse hypothesis and its various forms. The multiverse concept stems from our attempts to understand the fundamental nature of our own universe and its remarkable properties. Scientists have observed that certain physical constants and fundamental forces in our universe appear finely tuned to allow the existence of complex structures, such as galaxies, stars, and life itself. This observation has led to the idea that our universe may be just one of countless universes within a vast multiverse. There are several proposed versions or interpretations of the multiverse concept, including the Level 1 multiverse. This concept suggests that the universe is so vast that regions beyond what we can observe, known as the observable universe, may contain other regions that are similar to ours. These regions could have their own unique configurations of matter and energy, leading to the possibility of parallel universes. The Level 2 multiverse. Inflationary cosmology, a theory describing the early expansion of the universe, proposes the existence of bubble universes. According to this theory, our universe underwent a rapid expansion phase called inflation, during which new universes could have formed as bubbles within a larger multiverse. Each bubble universe would have its own physical properties, making them effectively separate universes. The Level 3 multiverse. This concept stems from the mathematical framework of string theory, which suggests that our universe exists on a 3D surface called a brane. In this framework, other branes may also exist, each representing a separate universe with its own unique set of physical laws and particles. These branes might exist in a higher dimensional space, referred to as the bulk. The many worlds interpretation. This interpretation, proposed within the realm of quantum mechanics, suggests that every possible outcome of an event actually occurs in different parallel universes. For example, in the famous Schrödinger's cat thought experiment, the cat would be simultaneously alive and dead in separate parallel universes. This interpretation implies that every quantum event branches into multiple universes, encompassing all possible outcomes. Fine-tuning and the anthropic principle. The observation that the fundamental constants and laws of physics in our universe appear finely tuned to allow the existence of life has led to discussions about the anthropic principle. Some proponents argue that the multiverse provides an explanation for this fine-tuning by suggesting that our universe is just one among many where the conditions are suitable for life. Eternal inflation. Inflationary cosmology, which proposes a rapid expansion phase in the early universe, has given rise to the idea of eternal inflation. According to this hypothesis, inflation continues indefinitely in different regions of the universe, leading to the continuous creation of new universes within the multiverse. Simulation hypothesis. The concept of the multiverse has also intersected with the philosophical idea of a simulated reality. Some suggest that if a multiverse exists, it is possible that our universe is a simulated construct within a higher dimensional reality or the product of an advanced civilization simulation. Observational signatures. Scientists are actively searching for potential observational signatures or evidence of the multiverse. These include the detection of cosmic microwave background radiation patterns, gravitational wave measurements, patterns in the distribution of galaxies, and anomalies in particle physics experiments. Philosophical and conceptual implications. The multiverse concept raises profound philosophical and conceptual questions. It challenges our understanding of causality, the nature of existence, the role of consciousness, and the limits of scientific inquiry. It also explores concepts such as the existence of infinite possibilities, the nature of identity, and the notion of self. Multiverse and cosmological theories. The concept of the multiverse is intertwined with various cosmological theories, such as cosmic inflation, string theory, quantum cosmology, and Brane cosmology. Exploring these theories in conjunction with the multiverse concept provides a broader perspective on the nature and origin of our universe. Quantum entanglement and multiverse. Quantum entanglement, the phenomenon where two particles become linked in such a way that their states are dependent on each other, has been linked to the multiverse concept. Some theories propose that entangled particles exist in superposition across multiple universes, implying a connection between quantum mechanics and the multiverse. Multiverse and black holes. The study of black holes has offered intriguing connections to the multiverse hypothesis. Some theories suggest that black holes could serve as gateways or wormholes connecting different universes within the multiverse. Exploring the relationship between black holes and the multiverse can provide fascinating insights into the structure of space-time. Philosophical implications. The multiverse concept raises profound philosophical questions, such as the nature of reality, determinism versus free will, and the existence of alternate versions of ourselves in parallel universes. It invites philosophical debates about the nature of existence, the concept of identity, and the implications of a multiverse for human consciousness. Multiverse and the arrow of time. The concept of time and its directionality within the multiverse is a topic of interest. Some theories propose that the multiverse may exhibit different arrow of time orientations, allowing for universes with reversed causality or different temporal sequences. Exploring the relationship between time and the multiverse provides insights into the fundamental nature of temporal dynamics. Multiverse and cosmological constants. The concept of the multiverse has implications for the nature of cosmological constants. Some theories suggest that the values of these constants may vary across different universes within the multiverse, leading to different physical laws and properties. Understanding the connection between the multiverse and the fundamental constants of nature can shed light on the nature of our universe's laws. Multiverse and the origin of the universe. Exploring the multiverse concept intersects with inquiries into the origin of the universe itself. Some theories propose that our universe could have originated from quantum fluctuations or cosmic events within the multiverse. Investigating the relationship between the multiverse and the origin of the universe provides insights into cosmological beginnings.
It's important to note that while the multiverse concept is intriguing, it remains highly speculative and currently lacks direct empirical evidence. However, physicists continue to explore the multiverse hypothesis through theoretical frameworks, mathematical models, and experimental observations, striving to uncover clues that may support or refute the existence of parallel universes. The notion of a multiverse challenges our intuitions about reality and the nature of existence, inviting us to contemplate the vastness of the cosmos and the possibility of realms beyond our own. It sparks curiosity, fuels scientific exploration, and encourages us to reconsider the fundamental principles that govern our understanding of the universe. It's important to recognize that the multiverse remains a topic of active research and debate within the scientific community. While there is compelling theoretical motivation and suggestive evidence, the direct confirmation or falsification of the multiverse hypothesis remains a challenge. Continued advancements in theoretical physics, cosmology, and observational techniques may shed further light on the nature of our universe and the possibility of parallel realities within a multiverse.
Please support our channel EDU site by subscribing and liking our videos. For more exciting, informative and educational videos, please enable bell icon for getting notification when we upload our new videos. Thank you.